Hello YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. Well, it's time to do the draw today. Now, I've wrote down everyone that answers on the video. There's a couple of people here, Cherokee and Southampton not picking. Cherokee says to give it to a newbie, and I know Southampton lock picking don't comment. So I'll see if they're drawing out and then we'll work something from there. But have a quick look, see if your name is on there. Well, I'll call them out. Gary Romain, Cherokee, Paul Springer, Fred Flintstoner, Southampton Not Picking Club, Lowell Falls Lockmania, Jack Fox, Chris Capoon, Rook Knight, Murloc 68, the Crappy Lock Picker, Bonks Lock Picker, Starry Lock, and Lock Picking Skill. Now, some of these didn't say whether they want to go in the draw or not, but I'll put them down anyway. If you win the draw, you don't want the stuff, just accept it and pass it on to someone local to you. You know, I don't mind. It's just a thank you for watching. Right, I'm going to put this on pause. And I'm going to cut these out and put them into this pot, and I'll draw one from there. Alright, bear with me. I'm back. A second for you and 10 minutes for me. I'll put them all in the pot. So we'll give it a shake. I might go off screen a bit, but there you go. I'll dip in and just take one out. I think that's one. Yeah, here we go. And the winner is, I'll open the bloody thing up, Lock Pickings Girl. There you go. Congratulations. I'll send the parcel tracking, but I can only guarantee it this side of the pond. Once it gets to your side, it's whether your post is good or not, but I'll track it to my side. I will get a notification when it gets delivered to you. Right, what else I'm going to do? I'll get these out. I've got a couple of my chop picks. There's loads here, but there's a couple here that I've done. There we go. And they got Vic's Pick and Lock on them with my logo. They're one-offs, so I'll pack them up into the parcel as well. Right, there you go. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I'm back again. Like an idiot, I forgot. Can Lock Pickings Girl, can you send your address details? My email is in the about section on my on my page. Alright, thanks a lot.